Good morning, student. This is part 3 explanation of chapter number 1, that is a computer system. Last week we left out chapter on type of keys on a keyboard. Let's continue it with there. So page number 8, first type of key, that is typing key. These keys include letters, alphabet keys, number keys, punctuation, full stop, comma, colon, semicolon, etc., and special symbol like plus, minus, semicolon, dollar, etc. keys. These keys also include the shift, caps lock, space bar, backspace, and the tab keys. Look at the figure 1.2. Let's look at much more clearly. Okay, as here we can see that all the keys that are in yellow color are termed as typing keys. These keys were also known as alphanumeric keys because it contained all the alphabets, that is from A through Z, and all the numbers from 0 to 9. And these keys would also include some punctuation marks like full stop, comma, semicolon, inverted comma, etc., and some symbols also like @ dollar sign with some tab key, spacebar key that is used to give space in between the word. Backspace is also used for erasing the letters or words. All such keys are very helpful in writing the documents or typing the text on the computer. Second type of key. Second is control key. These keys are either used alone or in combination with other key to perform certain action. Control, Alt, Windows, logo key, and the escape key are the various example of control keys. Okay, look at the picture again. As we can see, all the keys that are in red color are control keys. All these keys are such keys that can be used alone and can be used with the combination of some other keys to perform certain kind of action on the computer. For example, like escape button can be used to make exit from any window, and control key can be used with letter C to copy something and can be used with the X letter to cut anything, and same control key can be used with letter V to paste our copied or moved document, files, or any kind of picture or images on the computer. Let's move back to our chapter. Third is function keys. These are used to perform specific tasks. These keys are placed on top row of the keyboard and are labeled as F1, F12. These keys have different function in different program. Okay, moving back to the picture. As we can see that all the keys that are in purple color at the topmost of the keyboard are termed as function keys. Okay, so there are 12 function keys which are present at the topmost of the keyboard, and they are named as F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11 till F12. F12 is the last function key that we have on our keyboard. All these function keys can do different tasks in different programs. Next is numeric keypad. The numeric keypad consists of number keys from 0 to 9, the arithmetic operators, and the decimal point. Similar to the keys of a calculator, it is placed on the right side of the keyboard and it is used for entering number at a very fast speed. Okay, as we can see in the figure, all the keys that are in blue color are termed as numeric keypad. Numeric keypad is very much similar to the calculator uh, which we use to calculate numbers. It is present at the right side of the keyboard, as we can see on the screen. It has all the numbers, that is from 0 to 9, and it also has some arithmetic operators like plus, minus, division, multiplication, etc. sign that is used for calculating the numbers. Next, it also have a decimal point, and these keys are used to enter number with very fast speed. That is as because it is very much similar to the calculator design. Okay, let's see the last type of key, that is navigation key. These keys are used to move through the document or web pages and editing the text. These keys include arrow keys. These keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. Home moves the cursor to the beginning of a line and moves the cursor to the end of a line. Page up moves the cursor or page up by one screen. Page down moves the cursor or page down by one screen. Delete erases the character after the cursor or the selected text. Insert turns the insert mode on or off. Okay, as we can see here, all the keys that are in green color are termed as navigation key. As its names refer, such keys are used to move from different pages of our document or on web pages on the internet. As we can see that all the 4 keys that are at the bottom of the keyboard are termed as arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the screen to the left, right, and up and down on the screen. And all the 6 keys that we can see at the top of the keyboard, they are combination of home and page up, page down, delete, and insert key. These 6 keys were also used for moving the cursor. Let's see. Home button is used to move cursor at the beginning of a line and moves the cursor to the end of a line, and page up used to move the cursor or page up by one screen, and page down moves the cursor or page down by one screen. Okay, all these 4 keys are used to move our cursor to the beginning of the line or at the end of the line. Page up and page down is used to move the screen by page up, one page up, and one page down by using the page down button. Delete button is used to erase the character or text or any kind, or used to delete or any kind of files also. And insert button turns the insert mode on and off. Next topic is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is connected to the CPU by a cable. A mouse usually has 2 buttons on it. It is used to point, select, and move any object on the screen. When we move the mouse with our hand, a pointer on the screen moves in the same direction. It also helps to draw picture. Nowadays, the scroll mouse is more in use. That has scroll wheel in the center of the 2 buttons. Okay, with the mouse we all are very much familiar. See, mouse is an input device which is connected to our computer via wires or cables. Mouse is used to select and move and point items, hence this is also termed as pointing device. The arrow on monitor is called mouse pointer and it moves in same direction on monitor in the direction we move mouse with our hand. With mouse pointer movement we can make drawings, etc. Mouse has 2 buttons on it, left button on the left side and right button on the right side of the mouse. These 2 are used for left click and right click respectively, as we can see on the image. Mouse also has a scroll wheel in the center of the mouse buttons. This scroll wheel helps to move a page up and page down on the monitor. It does the same work that page up and page down buttons or keys do on the keyboard. This is all for now. Next week we will see the other hardware devices. Till then, thank you.